Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create this awesome horizontal icon bar that has an expanding search box. So let's start by creating an index.html. Let's generate our boilerplate here. We change the name to h icon bar. Let's add to it a link tag to our CSS file that we're gonna create right now, style.css. To get these icons we need font awesome. I will put the link to where you can find the link tag in the description below. Let's copy it and paste it here. Now in the body we're gonna add an UL that have a bunch of ally. Each one of them is gonna have a font awesome icon. Let's save this and then take a look. It works, but it needs some more style. So let's do that. We start by general resetting of the margin and the padding. We add a box sizing of border box. For the body, let's add to it a background color. Now for the UL, we add the display flex. If you know nothing about flexbox, check out my course. I put up a link on the description below. If you save and take a look, the allies are now aligned in a row. To center them, we're gonna use the property of flexbox, justify content, center. Let's grab the ally, we add the list sign none to get rid of the bullets, a background color, a padding of 20 pixels for the top and bottom and 20 pixels for left and right, a height of 60 pixels, a width of 60 pixels. If you take a look, you notice that it starts to take in shape. Let's add a hover effect to our ally by adding a background color. Now let's change the color and the width of the icon. Now it's time to start working on our sliding effect. To do that, we're gonna first start by giving a position relative to our ally, and that will change the position of ally relative to its normal position by setting a top, in our case, to minus 60 pixels. If we save and take a look, the allies changed the position, they disappeared. Our actual position is minus 60 pixel top. Now let's create the animation using keyframes. We're gonna name it slide in. It will start from a position of top minus 60 pixel and end in a top 0 pixel, and that is the original position of the ally. You notice that the allies slide in one after another. So to do that, we're going to target each one of them individually using the pseudo selector and child. The first ally, we add to it the property animation. For the animation, I'm putting a link to the basics of it in my description below. You should check it. The value of the animation, it will be a sliding duration of 0.3 seconds, a speed linear, iteration 1, and the fill mode of forwards. For the second one, it will be the same. We just add to it a delay of 0.3 seconds. For the third one, we add a delay of 0.6 seconds. For the fourth one, we add a delay of 0.9 seconds. For the fifth one, a delay of 1.2 seconds. And for the last one, a delay of 1.5 seconds. It looks great. Now we start working on our search box. First, we add in the input text to our ally with the front awesome class search. Now let's style this ally. We add to it a display flex. For the input, we add to it a box sizing of border box, a color white, a font size of 24 pixel, a background color, a width of 300 pixel, a height of 50 pixel. Let's save it and get a look. We have to change the width of the search ally. It will be equal to the width of the input plus a width of a simple ally. Now it has more style. We need to add a border of 0 pixel to the input. We need also to get rid of the outline of the input in focus. Now let's work on the expanding animation. First, we need to get rid of the width of the last ally, I mean search ally, and change also the width of the input to 0 pixel. Let's target the last ally when we hover and change its width to 360 pixel and add to it a flex property of justify content with the value flex end. Let's also change the input width in hover to 300 pixel. We need to add a transition property with the value background color 0.3 second and ease speed to the ally, and then the property transition with the value width 0.9 second and ease to the last ally, and lastly transition with the value width 0.8 second and ease to the input. Let's save this and get a look. Something is wrong, it doesn't work. I forget the S for seconds in the values. Let's save it. It looks great, but it needs more adjustment. To do that, we need to add the position absolute and the left 0 to the input, and that it will fix its position to its container, the search ally, no matter how we change the size of it. One last thing before we end this video, we need to add a cursor pointer to the ally. So, I hope you liked this video. To the next one, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It will help me a lot.